Hi guys, Harchadani here. Today I'm going to teach you guys about Bulletproof Coffee. Anyone that's been following me knows I drink this daily. Now, what is Bulletproof Coffee anyways? Now, I'm sure if you've looked up Bulletproof Coffee, you've heard that it helps with weight loss. Is this true? Now, in a sense, you're having a meal without carbs and good fats. That will, in a way, trigger ketosis, which will speed up your metabolism. So yes and no. I mean, you still have to eat clean the rest of the day and work out. This alone is not going to make you lose any fat. It increases cognitive function. So I have seen the effects of it a little bit, but I mean, I drink 4 to 5 a day to not fall asleep. So that's the other reason that I do drink this, is because 4 to 5 coffees a day, even 2 or 3, if you're adding creamers and milk, you're adding that fat content into your day, you're adding those extra sugars in there. So I do not want to have an insulin spike and then crash after my coffee, right? It's supposed to keep me going, not make me crash and crave. So let's get started. I'm just going to brew a plain black cup of coffee for you. Have it guys, a nice frothy healthy coffee, bulletproof. So good.